In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all conversation history in Grok. Whether you're doing a little spring cleaning or simply want a fresh start, I'll walk you through this process step by step. We'll ensure that you can easily manage your data and start anew with a clean slate. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to open the Grok app. You can do this by tapping on the app icon on your smartphone or desktop. Once you have Grok open, you'll find yourself on the main screen, which is the perfect starting point for our task today. Now, look towards the bottom left corner of the screen. You should see a profile icon. Go ahead and click on this icon. It's a small button, but it's your gateway to accessing all the settings and personalized options available in Grok. Clicking on it will open up a menu with various options that allow you to customize and control your app experience. Next, from the list of options presented to you, you'll want to select the one labeled Settings. This is where all the magic happens. Once you've clicked on Settings, you'll have access to several controls that help you manage your app preferences and data. In the Settings menu, your next stop is the Data Controls section. You'll find this option by scrolling down slightly until you see Data Controls. This section is specifically designed to help users like you manage their data, ensuring you have the accessibility to make changes as needed. Once you're in the Data Controls area, the option we're interested in is Delete All Conversations. It's as straightforward as it sounds. Selecting this option will prepare you to wipe out all your conversation history, paving the way for a fresh start. Take your time here, and when you're ready, go ahead and select Delete All Conversations. Finally, Grok will ask you to confirm your decision to delete your entire conversation history. This step is critical because there's no undo button once this action is complete. You'll see a prompt on your screen asking if you're sure about deleting everything. If you're confident that you want to proceed, confirm the action. And there you have it. Your entire conversation history in Grok is now cleared out. This process allows you to maintain control over your data, ensuring that everything stays organized according to your preferences. Remember, these steps are handy not just for routine maintenance, but also for moments when a data reset is necessary for peace of mind. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide makes your Grok experience even more streamlined and efficient. See you in the next video.